absolutely wonderful to have you here. Let us discuss on Future Pathway Global Schools, the vision of it, and the upcoming show, Little Grandmasters. Shall we begin, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please.
It is evident that Sri Chaitanya Techno Schools are successful. So why did Sri Chaitanya Future Pathways emerge?
Sri Chaitanya Techno Schools have been a huge success. It even exceeded our expectations. We started out in year 2008 with 5 branches and about 1,500 students. Today we have over 475 branches and 4 lakh students. But India is a developing country, and more than 99% of families, including mine, came from a middle class or a lower middle class background. So from when we are young, it's ingrained in us that engineering or medicine is the only way to become successful. So because of the economic background, what is important to any parent to make sure that the child will be stable in future is to make sure that they will finally find a well-paying and a stable job. And these 2 areas were the only way earlier. So now I think it's time for us to educate the students, to make them understand what options they have, and to help them identify what careers they are interested in, and also to hold their hands and make sure that they are successful in pursuing those careers. We want to expose the child to the world of possibilities. We want to show them what's out there, and more importantly, every child should receive personalized education, and every child should receive student-centric education. Sri Chaitanya is known for its very strong research and development department and also teacher training. So out of this research and development, we come up with a lot of ideas, lot of new methodologies, lot of new curriculum. Our teacher training program is useful for the teachers to update themselves, for us to train the teachers to make sure that up to the speed with the current trends of education. And both of these put together, there will be maximum benefit for the student. And out of this R&D department came the Mavericks idea. So when Ms. Pushpa, she's the coordinator, she heads pre-primary and primary departments, she came up with this idea. And I was a little hesitant because I myself wasn't sure, I couldn't understand the concept of it because it's so unique and distinctive. So we decided to give it a try, and our Bangalore AGM, Mr. Sunil, was very receptive, and he was also excited about this idea. He wanted to try something new. So with his cooperation and with the principal's cooperation, we were able to launch this in 2016. We started with pre-primary, but we've been getting demand for primary and high school as well. And not just that, I'm happy to say that even other schools came forward asking for this curriculum, if we can give the curriculum to their children. So with this encouragement, we introduced Advanced Mavericks program and Future Pathways.
Ma'am, we have come across the Infinity Learn.
Yes.
So would like to have an insight about it.
COVID kind of brought in so much transformation in students as well as teachers as well as parents. I think going forward, blended learning will become the approach. Every person, every student has a certain skill set. They will be successful in one profession if not the other. I think with Infinity Learn, we are trying to introduce adaptive learning, artificial intelligence, self-learning, several different techniques that will help us identify all these aspects right from childhood as well. Infinity Learn came out of the idea, how do we help more number of students achieve better? We need a platform where we can reach out to more number of students where our branches are not present. India is a huge country, and the number of learners are growing every single year. Our target is to reach out to every single state, every single school. If the school wants a platform, we'll give it. We will reach out to students also and try to onboard them to deliver them live classes, exams, adaptive learning, self-learning, all these things will be included in that. So that is an opportunity we want to create for every child. If he wants to learn, we are there to support in every format. And that is what drives us with this company. I think Infinity Learn will become a great platform in the next few years. We are already seeing a lot of positive reviews. We have a lot of enrollments already in the last 2 months, and we are hoping to make huge transformation in education.
What is this Little Grandmasters show all about?
Little Grandmasters is just a snippet into what Advanced Mavericks can do. I was telling you earlier that it's a very difficult program for the parent to understand and accept. So it's a better way to make them understand by showing them what the students can do. And this is not about just those students who participate in the show. There are so many other students that went through Mavericks program that can do the same thing. So this is just an example to showcase to our parents what they can expect from their children in future if they join this curriculum.
We wish you all the very best for the Little Grandmaster show. Congratulations and keep rocking.
Here's to wishing good luck and success to all the little grandmasters hailing from Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad.
Best of luck to all the little grandmaster and stay tuned for more updates of the Sterling Show.